Shorthand Simplified. Today we will go through sentences. So first sentence is who will. So who will come to, come is a short form, to fetch the phrase is cash. Question mark. We shall be, so we shall be at the bank at 2. We know, so you can join these things. We know the debt was paid. The check was given to him long ago. Long ago, phrase together. Long ago. Long and ago. So, third sentence. We saw them at the shop. They bought a ball for Jack. They got a doll above the line for an 2. May we have, so phrase these words together. May we have, may, a check for the bag bought on the, so bought on the slightly tilted 10th of May. So phrase this together. Of May. May is a proper noun, so 2 lines underneath the outline. Question mark. Next, we know they had a long talk, but we think they will, can be phrased together. So but we think they will give him no cash. They say Bob owes the debt, but the watch was paid for on the 10th. Next sentence. We think the chalk may damage the bag. No, it will come off. Wash it off. Ask Paul to attach a tag to the top of the bag. We shall check the damage to the boat. Damage. The tall lad was paid £5 a day to watch the shop. The lake was calm, so we came back on the boat. It was an odd thing to do, but it was a shame to laugh. So you can join this to and laugh. So to laugh and then place a vowel, laugh. This shows that this is a this word contains first place vowel. At him. Which of them saw the lad take the package back to the shop? Paul may manage to show them the way to do the job. We know they will be at the game, but they will come back for the show. We think they take too long to do the job. We have usually given the job to them, but we may make a change. They will pay for the damage to the tank, but we think they will ask for a delay. We had no cash to pay him at the shop, so a check was given to him. Pam had to come a long way. You can join this, long way, but saw the game. They will be at the show, which will be given on 29th May. It will be on a Monday. We shall get enough cash at the bank to pay both of them for the job. Usually, we engage a bungalow at the lake for a month. A wage they paid was too low. So Tom had to give up the job. We know the debt was unpaid, but they had no cash. Who will aid to get the mail for Beth off at 2? Question mark. We think they will take the boat for Canada on Monday, 12th May. The envelope for the mail was on top of the pad. We shall have to ask him to pay for damage to the gate. We saw them at the game, which was on Monday, a 10th of the month. Of the month can be phrased together. Of the month. So these were the sentences. See you in the next video. Thank you.